Hello everyone, welcome to Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. I'm Michelle Goldstein and today I am going to lead you through a short, sweet cardio flow to get you moving, get you some yoga and some stretching and some strength building and stability on the days that you don't maybe necessarily have a ton of time for practice. So let us get started, shall we? We'll come to child's pose to start. Toes together, knees a little wide. Spread your fingers along the ground and bring awareness to your breath. Long, deep inhales and full, thorough exhales. And then up to all fours. Inhale, cow pose, arch your back. We'll get moving here. Exhale, round into cat. Inhale, arch your back, lengthen. Exhale, round yourself in. And one more time. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round into cat. Inhale to neutral. Exhale, downward dog. And you can pedal out your heels here. Let your head drop. Fingers ground down. Push up out of the shoulders. And so we will start to move here. On an inhale, right leg lift up. Exhale, right foot steps through to the front of your mat. Left foot steps up to meet the right. Lengthen, inhale. Fold on the exhale. Interlace fingers behind your back. Arms stretch overhead. And then rise all the way up to stand. Big breath in, arms to the sky. Exhale, fold back in. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, left foot steps straight back behind you, lower left knee. Hook the thumbs together in front of you, arms reach up. Inhale, spread the fingers. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step to plank. And we'll take our first vinyasa, lower down. Inhale, press up to cobra pose. Exhale, pull back to downward facing dog. Deep, steady breath. Left leg lift up, inhale. Exhale, step through. Right foot steps up to meet the left. Lengthen, inhale. Fold on the exhale. Interlace fingers behind the back. Stretch the arms overhead. And then come all the way up to stand with a long spine, fingertips to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, right foot steps straight back, lower right knee. Hook the thumbs, arms reach up, inhale. Exhale, hands down, step back to plank. And lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, back, downward facing dog pose. Deepest breaths, especially on the days that we haven't got as much time to drop in. That's a beautiful opportunity to practice just dropping in. Here we are. Right leg lift up, inhale. Exhale, step all the way through, spin the back heel flat, come up to warrior two. And we'll take a few deep breaths here with the inner legs hugged together, shoulders soft, belly in. We'll reverse the warrior on an inhale. Exhale, hands down. Step back, vinyasa. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back, down dog. Left leg lift up, inhale. Exhale, lunge, come up, warrior two. Breathing deeply, breathing deeply. And sit down 1 more inch into it. Right hand back, left arm up, reverse warrior inhale. Exhale the hands down, step back, vinyasa. Pardon me, inhale, upward dog. Exhale back, downward facing dog pose. Ujjayi breathing. Inhale, heels lift, hips lift. Exhale, walk or hop to the front of your space. Lengthen, inhale. Fold, exhale. Utkatasana, chair pose, inhale. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, lengthen. And chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right foot steps through. Come up, warrior one for a breath. Exhale, release to plank and lower down. Inhale up. Exhale back, left foot steps through. Come up, warrior one for a breath. And release, vinyasa. Good, bring your feet to the front of your mat. We'll do that again. Lengthen, inhale. Fold, exhale. Chair pose, inhale. Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, lengthen, and vinyasa. Press up, inhale, down dog. Exhale, right foot steps through. Come up for 1 breath, warrior one. And release to plank, lower down. Inhale up. Exhale back, left side, step through. Come up for a breath, warrior one. And release, vinyasa. Very nice. Last round of these. Bring your feet to your hands. Lengthen, inhale. Fold, exhale. Chair pose, inhale. Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, lengthen, and flow, chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Right foot steps through. Come up, warrior one. And release, vinyasa. Inhale up and back, down dog, left side, step through, come up, warrior one, and let it go, vinyasa. Beautiful, okay. See, there's time to warm up and move in. Right leg lift up, inhale. Exhale, step through, come up, warrior two. And we'll reverse the warrior on an inhale and side angle pose on the exhale. Take a few breaths here. Feel the right hip hug into the midline of your body. Feet stamped down with intention. Belly in. And rotate into the upper back. Good. One more breath here. Reach through the left fingertips. Good. Left hand down to the ground. Come up on the back toes. Right arm to the sky. Push up out of the left shoulder, open into the upper back. Big inhale, rotate the spine. Exhale, right hand down, step the left foot up to the front of your space. Utkatasana, inhale. We'll take a prayer twist to the right. Good, deep breath, just a few moments here. Sit a little deeper, one more breath. And fold forward, let your head drop. Lengthen, inhale, and vinyasa. Inhale up. Exhale back, left leg lift, inhale. Exhale, step through, come up, warrior two. And we'll reverse the warrior inhale and side angle on the exhale. And feel the left hip hug into center as opposed to collapsing the left hip out behind you. Hug to the midline, feet stamp down, reach through the right arm. Good, right hand down, come up on the back toes, reach the left arm up for a little twist. Push up out of that right shoulder, push up out of the right shoulder and rotate. Beautiful, left hand down, step up to the front of your space. Utkatasana. And then we'll take that prayer twist to the left. And sit your body weight back a little bit toward your heels, even though the toes are still on the ground, and sink the hips. One more breath. Good, fold forward. Lengthen, inhale, and vinyasa. Inhale up, exhale back. Beautiful. Okay, just one last little bit of standing flow. Right leg lift up, inhale. Exhale, step through, come up, warrior two. And again, reverse the warrior for that side stretch. And now straighten the right leg for reverse triangle and reach forward into triangle pose. Lengthen through the right side ribs. Feel the quadriceps engage strongly. Beautiful. Come up, warrior two. Big breath in. And release, vinyasa. Back to dog. Left leg lift, inhale. Exhale, lunge. Come up, warrior two. Reverse the warrior. Left leg straight, reverse triangle, and triangle pose. Make sure that those quads are firm to support your hamstrings. And the spine long, so that includes the side body, the front and back of the spine. Very nice. Come up, warrior two, inhale. Exhale the hands down. Step back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Good. Release the feet. Grab onto the tops of the feet with your hands. Let's come up into bow. Good. One more breath. And release. Child's pose. Good. And then come to sit on your mat. Left knee bends out to the side. Right leg straight in front of you. Janu Shirshasana. And just a few deep breaths here. Good. Come on up and we'll switch sides. Beautiful. Come on up. And just one more hamstring stretch here. Fold forward into Paschimottanasana. And I'll tell you from here, roll yourself up. If you want Shavasana, take it. But I'm going to finish this practice on the days I don't have a lot of time. I often sit to meditate and sort of skip over Shavasana. Now, it's not for everyone, but I think there's so much benefit to seated meditation. There's benefit to both. But allow yourself a few moments to sit here and really feel where your body touches the ground that you sit on. And then grow taller from that place. With a softness around the heart space. Softness across the brow and the jaw. And we'll bring the palms together in front of the heart. Thank yourself for taking this time for yourself. Thank your precious body for doing the work. Heart lifts, bow your head. Namaste. Thank you so very much for practicing with me today. I'm Michelle Goldstein. You're at Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. Be sure to click the subscribe button, like the videos, share them with your social circles, find us on Instagram, find us on Facebook. We love you loads, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Be well.